Video 3.3 Cost Management using Azure Budgets. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What are Azure Budgets and why we need them? How to create Azure Budgets? And how to manage Azure Budgets. We all know that a budget estimates income and expenditure for a set period. In the same way, Azure Budgets tells you if you are going over or reaching the cost budget and help you to set alerts when you reach the budgeted cost amount. But why do you need Azure Budgets? You are now using the free tier subscription where you have a credit of $200 or its equivalent in your respective regions. But after 1 month, you need to upgrade your subscription to pay as you go, and you will be billed when you are using the services that are not free. Let us consider that you are an employee in a company and you got a bonus payment because of your hard work. You want to buy some clothes using 50% of your bonus, and you want to save the remaining 50%. You started purchasing clothes, and later you realized that you had spent 90% of your bonus on shopping. This situation might not have arisen if you had set a budget and some alert if you have exceeded the budget. A similar kind of situation can occur with Azure subscription. Let us assume that you have used a resource, but you have forgotten to delete that. You are using the free trial subscription and your free credit amount was charged entirely for that unused resource. You haven't fruitfully used the free tier subscription to play through Azure's different services, but your free credit is already over. Azure Budgets can help you in overcoming these. Let us now walk through the creation of Azure Budgets. First, you need to sign in to your Azure account. Go to Cost Management and Billing and go to Subscriptions. Most of you are likely to be in the free trial category. Mine is a pay-as-you-go subscription. Click the subscription for which you want to create a budget. Scroll down and you will find Budgets here. Click that. Before creating a budget, you need to know the maximum budget, the action you want after reaching the budgeted amount, the requirement of incremental alerts, the start and end period of budget, and budget reset time. Let us create a budget for 50 rupees. I am using rupees as I am in India and I am billed in the Indian rupees, which is abbreviated as INR. If the usage reaches 80% of the budgeted amount, let us set an alert, which is an email. The reset period can be set to monthly. The time window analyzed by the budget is known as the reset period. At the beginning of each new period, the cost for the new period is set to 0. The quarterly budget works the same way as the monthly budget. The only difference is that the quarter's budget amount is evenly divided among the 3 months of the quarter. An annual budget amount is evenly distributed among all 12 months of the calendar year. The start and end dates determine the period for which the set budget is considered. Click Add and set them as per your requirement. After configuring the budget amount, select Next to configure budget alerts. Budgets require at least one cost threshold, that is percentage of budget, and a corresponding email address. Up to 5 thresholds can be added for a single budget. Email notifications are normally sent after 1 hour of reaching the budget threshold. Click Create to create a budget. Budgets can also be edited. Click this edit icon. You can also trigger an action group while creating a budget. Various actions can be performed by the action group when your budget threshold is met. Currently, subscription and resource group scopes only support action groups. To add the creation of an action group, select Manage Action Groups and add an action group. Now add a name to your action group. You can also select the resource group for which the action needs to be taken. Type the name again and select the action and click OK. This creates an Azure budget. Your budgets can be viewed from the Cost Management and Billing dashboard, Subscriptions and Budgets. Utilizing and creating an Azure budget is essential to manage the overall cost of the Azure environment. In summary, in this video, we have covered the following topics. What are Azure budgets and why we need them? How to create Azure budgets? And how to manage Azure budgets. In the next video, we will take a look at infrastructure as code in Azure.